Good morning, student. I'm Purnima, and once again I welcome you to my class of English. Now, student, I am thinking to have a change today. We are all doing till now lessons of moment, lessons of the literary reader, beehive, okay, and then we were studying grammar portion. So today I'm thinking to have a change, and I'm thinking to do something new with you. So I am starting with a writing section. And children, the topic of our writing section will be article writing. Okay. Now you must be thinking that you must have heard this word somewhere. So I am going to remind you, children, when summer vacation used to be near, your teachers used to run after you. Oh, children, you have to bring something for your school magazine. Hindi and English teacher, languages teachers, they were running after you, telling, come on, guys, come on, you have to bring something for your school magazine. And what is that? That is an article. Okay, so I think now by this time you remember that you were told to bring articles. So today I am going to tell you what actually this article writing is. Okay, what is this article writing? So I have written some points on the board. You can see article writing. Okay, it is a long piece of composition. Children, try to understand. There are two type of writing section are there. One is short composition. Okay, what is short composition? This is a long piece of composition. There are two type of composition are there. One is long composition and the other is short composition. In your syllabus, both type of composition are there. Okay, and I am thinking to do with you long composition. Short also we will do, but I am starting with the long composition. Now, first of all, you will be thinking that what is this long composition and what is this short composition. So children, then there are some writing section whose word limit is only 50 words. So that will come under the category of short composition, like notice writing, message writing, okay, poster making. So these will be there. These are some of the things in which the word limit is only 50 word. Okay, and children, when we say that it is a long composition, then the word limit is from 150 to 200 words. Okay, so first of all, writing article writing is a long composition in the writing section. Article writing is a long composition in the writing section. Okay, so first point, I hope it is clear. It is a long piece of composition. Okay, it can be descriptive or argumentative. Now children, there are two type of article writings are there. One is descriptive, okay, and one is argumentative. Now, if you have to write about child labor, suppose if you have to write child labor or cruelty to animals, so it can come under descriptive. Okay, and children, when we put why this happened, what would be the result, then that type of article writing will become under argument. Then the nature of the article writing will be argumentative. Okay, so there are two type of article writing is there. One is descriptive, like a visit to a hill station. You have to write an article about a visit to a hill station. So please guess what type of article it would be. It would be a descriptive article. Okay, but if we will tell education policies of India, education policy of India, I think with today, if you will see the TV news, after 34 years of education policy has changed also. Okay, so a lot of arguments you can give here, whether you like that education policies or you don't like, or you feel that some other changes should be there. So this type of article writing can be an argumentative article writing. Okay, so there are two types of article writings are there. One is descriptive and the other is argumentative. Okay, and in your syllabus both the type of article writings are there, descriptive and argumentative. It can be an article for the newspaper or school magazine. Now children, where do we use this article writing? So just now I told you, when summer break used to be there, when long vacation of summer used to be there, when you had a lot of time, the teacher also used to expect a lot of things from you. They used to tell, okay, come on, whose article will be the best, that article you will be there in the magazine of the school or in the school magazine. Children, and so many articles in this way the teacher used to collect, and whose article used to be the best one, definitely along with the photograph, along with the class and section, that article is published in the school magazine. So there are two types of article. One is for a school magazine and the other article is for newspaper. Okay, the other article is for newspaper. So student, for you both the type of articles will be there, but generally I think we will give focus on the articles related with the school magazine. There are many topics are there which is there for the school magazine. Okay, now children, of course children, since it is a long piece of composition writing, so children, your word limit has to be 150 to 200 words. Your article should not be more than 150 to 200 words. Okay. So now student, I will be telling you about the article, how to write a suitable articles. Now before writing articles children, you must understand 2 points. One, what is an input? Okay, one, what is an input? So this is the point. I think something you should know that before writing an article. Now children, sometime in the question paper you will see, when you have to write the article, some hints are given. If some hints are given in the form of a point, that would be known as hints. Then what you will say to those things? You will say hints. But children, sometimes these hints are given in a box is drawn, and these hints are written in the box. Okay, these hints are written in a box. So student, these hints, when it is written in a box, then this will be known as input. What it will be known as? It will be known as input. Okay, now suppose children, if a article is coming on any of the topic, okay, like take any topic, like you can take children, lot of topic is there, physical education in school. Okay, suppose I take this topic. Okay, so in the box certain points will be there, like physical education necessary for all the students for all round development. So this is the first point given here. Okay, children, nowadays it is all the school is giving importance or priority to this physical education, and it is there in the curriculum. Then lot of facilities are there in the school nowadays. Okay, and lot of initiative is taken for the sports. Then children, healthy mind in a healthy body. Okay, so these are some of the hints. These are some of the hints which is there in the box. Then teaches the quality of teamwork and discipline. What does this teaches? It teaches us the quality of discipline and teamwork. The media of national unity and cooperation. need of the hour. So this is the need of the hour, because nowadays children, we are busy with the internet and lot of TV and all that thing. Student, they don't have to go outside and play. So children, it is a thinking of our government also that it is less priority be given to the physical education. Okay, so nowadays children, almost in every school, and if it is a CBSE school, there the sport teachers are kept. Okay, and sport is necessary for the student. Various type of sports are there: indoor, outdoor, boxing, football, volleyball. Okay, so children, this point which I was reading right now, it was written in a box. A box was drawn, and this type of point was there in a box. Okay, now student, this point, when this is kept in a box, then this is known as input. So children, you have to now, I think everybody understood what is an input. Now I am going to read some important feature of a article writing. So first feature, you can see children, study carefully the points given in inputs and hint. Study carefully the points given in inputs or hint. That means some of the points will be given in the box, and you have to go through that points, and then you have to think about it. You have to think thoroughly. Okay, because your article writing is of 150 to 200 word. Your article writing is of 150 to 200 word. You cannot just complete your article that what is given only in the box. You have to think very hard for it. Okay, so children, study carefully the points given in input, hint. Okay, so you have to study this point. Now children, the second point which I am going to tell you, arrange the hints in order. Children, whatever the hint is given, sometimes the hints is given in order. Okay, sometimes it is not given in order. So children, you have to read it very carefully, and you have to see that whether the hints are in order or not. If it is not in order, then what you have to do? You have to think, and you have to put that hints in order. Okay. Now children, the third point, arrange the hint in order. This I have explained. You must have your own ideas. Coordinate it with the ideas or hints given. Now children, taking the help from the hints from the input is not enough. Taking the help from the ideas given in the input is not enough. Okay, you have to, what you have to do? You have to think your own ideas. So children, this is the most toughest point. I think you don't have to take help only from the ideas which is given in the input. You have to think your own ideas. Okay, that is the most toughest thing. Because children, very less time in the examination, 200 to 150 words to write. Time is running, time is short, paper is going to end, only 3 hours is given, and then you don't have to time to think about the idea, but then you have to think. And children, in that case, your readings, the reading which you people do will always help you. Reading is a food for your thought. Okay, so we must read, we must keep on reading something. So children, what is the third point here is very important, which I have discussed with you right now, that you must have your own ideas. Coordinate with the ideas or hints given below. You must have your own ideas. Coordinate it with the ideas or hints given. Okay, so whatever hint is there in the input, you have to think your own ideas, mix it, write it sequence wise. Okay, it doesn't mean that you some of the ideas you will be writing earlier than any idea which will be coming later, and that idea should be written earlier, you will write that ways. No, you will get less marks. So always write your idea sequence wise. Write your ideas sequence wise, children. When, or this is the last point, arrange your article with suitable paragraph. Now children, writing 200 words, you cannot write a full article, full paragraph. One paragraph cannot be of 200 words. At least 3 to 4 paragraph, 50 words. Try to make one paragraph, write a one paragraph in about 50 words. So if 200 words are there, so you have to write 3 to 4 short paragraphs should be there. And every paragraph should come sequence wise. For that you have to think very hard. Choose good words, good verses, good phrases. Sometimes children, thought is also written. That is also very nice. Quote is written, thought is written. So all these things children you have to write whenever you write a article writing. Now your language should not be a language taken from the internet. Think many times. You have to think. If you will think for an hour, then you will have at least 4 and 5 ideas, good 5 to 6 ideas. So children, whenever you are free, you think what nice ideas you can get more for your article writing. So more thinking you will do, the more better ideas you will be getting, and this will help you when you will be having a short time in your examination. The more book you must have read, newspaper, books, whatever, that will help you in writing and giving you a lot of ideas. That's why I keep on telling, we language teachers keep on telling you that reading is a must. Read as much as you can. Now arrange your articles into suitable paragraphs. This I've done. So at least 4 to 5 paragraph you have to write it. Okay. Now simple, correct, grammatically language and relevant. This is very important point. Children, whatever ideas or whatever thing you are writing, it should be written in simple English. The more complicated English you will write, the more mistake you will be liable to do. So try to avoid, unless you are having your excellent English, you have fluent English, your vocabulary is very rich, then you try to write in a very tough language. Otherwise, try to write in a simple language. The more simple language, the more smaller sentence you will frame, the more children you will do less mistake. So try to write in a simple language. If you feel your English is excellent, if you feel your verses and phrases which you are choosing is good, then you may write in your English, which is, what to say, it can be called a very standard English, very tough language it should be. Okay. So your English should be simple, relevant idea should be there. That means to the point idea, no unnecessary. What is related with that topic, try to write that thing only. It can be a quotation, it can be a thought, it can be a good verse, it can be a nice verse or a nice phrase. Okay, so it should be related with that. And children, the most important thing, it should be grammatically correct, because article means the checking of your language. Articles writing means the examiner is going to check your language also. What type of standard you are maintaining to write your language. So you have to write, you have to think, you have to write grammatically correct language. Then children, you have to see whether whatever phrases you are using, it is fitting in that situation or not. And children, finally, your composition, your article should be meaningful, brief and to the point. That means I already discussed this idea, it should be relevant, it should be to the point. unnecessary details or explanation must be avoided. You cannot write anything unnecessary. You cannot write anything unnecessary which is irrelevant. Okay, if you will write, because many people, you know what is many people do, just because they have to write 200 words without thinking, they write all unnecessary thing. Only they have to show to the teacher, oh, they have written full 200 words. But what they have written, that is important. The content is important. There are much marks in contents rather than the filling up the writing of the 200 words. So content is the more good content, the more better content you will write, the more good marks you will get. So you have to see that whatever details or explanation you are writing, it should be according to the heading, it should be according to the title, it should be correct. Okay, unnecessarily explanation must be avoided in the article writing. So children, this is all the important characteristic of a article. Now I will be telling you about one or two articles. As I told you earlier, articles are of two types. One is argumentative article and the other is just simple article, descriptive article. Okay, so now I will be giving you one question, and also I will be telling you about the format, that how to write the article. I will be telling you format, and then I will be telling you one article. I will be discussing one article, okay, which will help you to write your article writing in the examination. So first, now I will be telling you about the format of the article. Now student, I will be telling you that what is the format for article writing. Children, format for article writing is very easy, but children, when then also a lot of mistake is created when a student write the format of article writing. So children, I will be telling you in detail what mistakes are usually done by our students. They think that they have written correctly, but then it is wrong. So first of all, what is the format of an article writing? As you can see, first thing children, you have to write the heading. You have to write the heading or title of the article. What you have to write? You have to write the heading of the article by XYZ. That means who is the person who had written that article. A name should be there. Okay. Now children, I am going to read a question, and in that question I will be telling you generally what a child makes a mistake when they write a heading and what they do afterward. What general mistake is there at the starting of the article writing only. So children, I am going to read a question. Is part of violence, now this is the question, please hear properly. Is part of violence previously unknown in Indian school make it incumbent on the educationists to introduce value education effectively in school? Write an article in 150 to 200 words expressing your views on the need of value education. Now listen to this carefully. You have to write an article in 150 to 200 words expressing your views on the need of value education. You are Anu or Arun. So children, first of three things are there. Your word limit is there. If word limit is not there also, your article should not be more than 200 words. Minimum word limit is 150. Maximum word limit is 200 words. Now, children, you have to write the article for what? The need of value education. Your article should be the need of value education. And children, the name is also there. If you are a boy, you have to write the name Arun. If you are a girl, you have to write the name Anu. Okay, so these things are given. That means the title of the article is given, and children, it is written by whom. So children, you can see I have written heading, and children, in this heading you can see some of the words I have circled with green pen, and some of the word I have circled with red sketch pen. Okay, read the heading. So first of all children, this is the heading which you will write in the article. As per the format, you have to start your article with a heading. So this is the heading: value education, a part of curriculum in a school. Now children, why you people make mistake here? You people make mistake because children, you write all the, sometimes you write the this E, A or P or C in with a small letter. So it should not be there. The main thing children, your articles, your prepositions, okay, your conjunctions, it should always be written in the small letter, and the other word should be written in the capital letter when you write the heading. So you can see value, V I have written with the capital letter. Definitely it is a starting, it should be written. Education, this also have written with the E, also have written with the capital letter. A, it's a starting because dash is there, hyphen is there, and then again it's a new word is there, so it's a starting, so I have written A with a capital letter. Part, P is, I have again written with a capital letter. But children, can you see off here? This O I have written with a small letter. This O you can see student, I have written with a small letter. Why? Because this is a preposition. Then curriculum, again C is written with a capital letter. In, as you can see, okay, in I is written with a small letter because this is a preposition. School, S we have written with a capital letter. Now children, sometimes what you do, the student write the heading also correctly, but children they write by XYZ. You will get 0 here. You have to write name. If the name is given, like in this question name is given, if you are a boy write Arun, if you are a girl write Anu. If the name is given, then you write by Anu or Arun. But sometimes children name is not given, so you have to write any fake name. You have to write article by any fake name. Okay, so value education, a part of curriculum in school. This is the article which you have to write, and then student you write by Anu or Arun. And now children, you have to start your articles with a nice line, because a teacher always see how you introduce, how you start, how you initiate your article, and how you end your article. These are the two important part of the article. Always a teacher will see that in what manner you have started your article and in what manner you have finished your article. So children, I am reading: is part of violence previously unknown in Indian school, make it incumbent on the education to introduce value education effectively in school. Instead of students confronting their teacher violently, have also shown a sharp rise in school. Education can't be reduced merely to the job of providing degree. Education must be value based. Now children, you have to, this is the most important line, that your education should not only give you degree, but it should be value based. So you have to write one good line. So you have to think what you have to write. Directly you cannot write good line. You have to think. So this is the way they have started. They have taken this point from the question itself. A sport of violence previously unknown in Indian school, make it incumbent on the educationists to introduce value education effectively in school. Instead of students confronting their teachers violently, have also shown a sharp rise in schools. Education can't be reduced merely to the job of providing degrees. Education must be value based. So here is the most important point, that what we really wanted, that it is the education, we should not only, we should educate our children for getting the job, but it should be, they should inculcate good habits in the student. Okay, now children, this first paragraph is completed. Now we will come to the second paragraph. Okay, value education should be a part of the curriculum in school, but value based education is still remain a distant dream. The result is disastrous. The young student in school and colleges are getting astray. Okay, what is the meaning of astray? Spoiled. All the students are getting spoiled. They are using foul language, they are fighting in the school, they are not respecting their teachers. So many things are there with the students nowadays. Children, the result is disastrous. The young student in school and colleges are going astray. Alright, some are being reduced to working computers, and some have only become computers. They don't have any moral values in them. The others have become white collar brutes. White collar brutes, that means they come in a nice dress, they come in a nice with a good shoes, socks. Okay, their look is very impressive, but they use all abusive language, foul language. Okay, no respect at all for the teachers. They beat the, bullies the smaller, younger students. They sometimes they snatch the tiffin, they go to the canteen, they just take the things and would not like to give money to the person who is selling the things in the canteen. Okay, so all type of misbehavior they will be doing. They start behaving like a wild animals. They shout, okay, they beat, all this type of nonsense they create. The others have become white collar brute. They start behaving like wild animal. Both ways the development is lopsided. Okay, so children, both the ways the development is not up to the mark. Now we will start with the third paragraph. This it is the age of neo-consumerism. Neo-consumerism means new trend of using and throwing things. New trends of using and throwing things. Unfortunately, moral and minds of the youth are guided by the forces of market. Material prosperity has become the only aim of life, only to earn money by hook or by crook. Okay, this is their aim. Gone are the days of simple living and high thinking. Pragmatism. Pragmatism is practical, to become practical and not principle. They are only becoming practical. If they want to have a money, they can snatch the money from anyone. They don't have any shame to snatch the money, especially from the younger student. So they have lost all their values of life. They have lost this idea, the principle of good life is the guiding factor of life. The cable TV has only polluted the young mind. Children, it is the internet and cable TV, they are also responsible for polluting the minds of the students as well as children. They mostly nowadays, working parents are there, both mother and father, they are going outside, they are so much busy that they can't pay attention to the child, and so the child started behaving like a brute, like an animals. So it serves overdoses of violence. They are becoming more and more violence. Children, they are losing their moral values. They are drinking alcoholic drink, they are taking, they are smoking. Okay, you can see acid attacks and all those things are happening in the society. So this is now children, the last paragraph you will write. In our school, various steps have been taken for the moral upliftment of the students. In the assembly of 5 minutes, we can say children what step we are going to take. So children, moral value education has been introduced. Teacher are keep teaching moral values lesson in the classroom. Then children, in the assembly, a 5 minutes talks regarding moral and values in life is a compulsory. Okay, so these are the some of the things which might improve the students and which might teach them moral value education and good way to start their life. So children, this is the way to write an article. Okay, so with this I conclude my chapter here, my this lesson here, and I have given all the important tips here. So with this I end my class here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.